Did the plane just land only for your partner to start enthusiastically clapping? If a cold shiver just ran down your spine, congratulations. You've officially got the ick. To help you navigate this universal experience, here are the top relationship offenders. First up, a few general deal breakers: being rude to waitstaff, chewing with their mouth wide open, having a picture of themselves as their phone background, and referring to themselves in the third person. Next, we have the classic guy icks: constantly texting one-word replies, wearing sunglasses on the back of his neck, saying he misses you after one hangout, and calling women females. And finally, the top girl icks: screeching yas all the time, treating her partner like a personal photographer, talking in a baby voice, being obsessed with astrology, and driving with a fuzzy steering wheel. Now, before you pack your bags, ask yourself, is it an actual red flag or just a harmless quirk? If they're just being embarrassing, remember that nobody's perfect. You've probably given someone the ick too.